Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT for text messages. Using ChatGPT on your device to improve or generate text messages can be really helpful. Whether you're drafting a response, crafting a new messages, or refining the tone, here's how you can do it. Browser access. You can access the chat OpenAI on the browser like Google or ChatGPT app. You can also go to ChatGPT app. Now, open it directly. Once it's open, go to the messaging app. If you already have a message written, copy it and prepare to paste it into ChatGPT. If you need help creating a new message, skip to the next step. Now, paste the existing text into ChatGPT. Specify what you want from ChatGPT. For example, can you help me make this message sound more friendly? Please rewrite this message to be more concise and professional. Or, if you want a specific response on the message, go back to messaging app, then copy a message you need to respond to, then go back to ChatGPT, then type this response. First, for example, I need a response to this message. Then paste the messages here. Tap on the arrow upwards to get the result. Now, read ChatGPT's suggested text and make any personal adjustments to ensure it sounds natural. Once satisfied, hold the result, then copy the text from ChatGPT. Open your messaging app, paste the text, review it, and hit send. Using ChatGPT for text messaging is a quick and flexible way to refine your communication on the go. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.